Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make herbed quinoa. First, rinse your quinoa well to ensure a clean taste. Next, remember the simple 2-to-1 ratio of water to quinoa for perfect cooking. Finally, we'll infuse it with fresh herbs, adding a wonderful aroma and delicious flavor. This easy method will help you create a healthy and tasty side dish in no time, perfect for any meal. To begin, measure out 1 cup of quinoa and place it in a fine mesh sieve. Rinse it thoroughly under cold, running water for about 1 minute. This step is crucial for removing saponins, which can cause a bitter taste. For an even better result, you can soak the quinoa for 15 minutes, then drain it completely. This helps it cook more evenly and quickly. Now, let's cook our quinoa. In a saucepan, combine the rinsed and drained 1 cup of quinoa with 2 cups of water. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the saucepan tightly, and let it simmer gently for about 15 minutes. The quinoa is ready when all the water has been absorbed and the grains look fluffy. Once your quinoa is cooked, remove it from the heat and let it sit, covered, for 5 minutes. This allows it to steam perfectly. Then, gently stir in about 1/4 cup of your favorite chopped fresh herbs, like parsley, cilantro, or dill. Use a fork to fluff the quinoa, separating the grains for a light and airy texture. Serve your delicious herbed quinoa warm as a fantastic accompaniment to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.